Feeling lost in the Clockify plan jungle? Let's hack through the pricing tiers and find the perfect fit for your team, budget, and time tracking dreams. First up, the free plan, the ultimate starting point. It's fantastic for individuals and small teams just dipping their toes into time tracking. Think unlimited users, projects, and basic reporting. This is the sweet spot if you need core time tracking and don't require advanced features like invoicing or user groups. Next, we have the Plus plan. This plan unlocks user groups, which are crucial for managing larger teams. User groups allow you to easily group employees into departments or teams to help track their time. You also gain access to more advanced reporting like summary reports and the ability to track time off. Now, let's talk premium. The main thing that this plan unlocks is task rates and labor costs to help improve estimating and improve revenue predictions. You also get access to features like required fields. This means that you can make specific fields required when an employee tracks their time. Finally, the enterprise plan. This plan is ideal for businesses that want a dedicated account manager and customizable terms. You will also gain access to full implementation support. So, what's the best plan for you? Take stock of your team size, list out the features you absolutely need, and then consider your budget. Don't overspend on features you won't use. By carefully weighing these factors, you'll unlock the full power of Clockify without breaking the bank, leading to more productive projects and a happier, more efficient team.